Hello, guys. Good morning. I wish you all a very happy, beautiful, and a cheerful morning. I had come down for some random work and I realized that it is such a beautiful morning. I sat down on the bench and did some 15 minutes of breathing exercises, and I felt absolutely beautiful and peaceful and calm inside. And then I thought, why not make a video? So, this morning I would like to talk about something which is a habit with all of us. So we are creatures of habit, and over years of doing a thing a certain way and keeping on doing that certain way again and again, we develop a network. We develop a network in our mind which tells us to do a thing in that particular order. That's our subconscious conditioning. Like, we get up in the morning and we brush our teeth, and there are certain things like some people have a habit of reading newspaper along with a tea, along with a cup of tea or coffee. So this becomes a habit by virtue of doing that every single day, and that then what happens is that your subconscious mind takes over it, and it becomes something which you don't think about and do it. Like, you don't have to consciously think about it and do it. So this is how you develop a habit. So when you have to shift from this habit to any other habit, like you want to bring about some kind of change in your life because you are not able to meet your goals and you want to change your habits. So when you work on changing one habit and instilling another good habit in that place, you will see a lot of resistance in your mind. You will see a lot of negative thought that you have to do this and you don't like it, like waking up early in the morning. If a person wants to get up early in the morning because he has a habit of sleeping late and getting up late and not able to do some workout, so in the beginning it is difficult because he has been sleeping late and getting up late for so many years. So when you start building a new habit, there will be a lot of resistance, but you have to allow that habit to seep into your subconscious. Until that time, you have to keep on doing it for a certain number of times so that it gradually gets ingrained in your subconscious. I would like to give an example here. Like, you have kept a thing in your almirah, and that place is there for that thing for a very long time, and then you happen to change the place of that thing. Like, you have kept something and you decided to change the place of that thing to a new location. So right now you consciously know that you have shifted the place to another location, but subconsciously so many times you will go and open the almirah to find that thing in that old place, but you consciously know that it is no longer there. This happens because it is ingrained in your subconscious. So even when you know that consciously that the place has been shifted, you will keep on searching that thing in that old location. This is how our old habits are. So you keep on understanding a new thing in a way where it becomes subconscious over time. So allow your new habit to build over time so that it does not become it does not stay in your conscious mind, and your subconscious mind processes it. So in the beginning, when you want to do something new, there will always be resistance, there will always be that kind of negative thought in your mind, but keep on doing it despite resistance, and instill new habits which are aligned with your goals, which support your goals, and then it will be easier. You have to take it with a pinch of salt that any new thing that you do will have a lot of resistance and you will not want to do it, but this is the challenge of overcoming that and making it subconscious, making the new habit subconscious. So this is the mantra for today. Allow a new thing to seep into your subconscious, and let go of all the resistance. Even if it is there, keep on doing it and it will become ingrained in your subconscious. The our target should be to let the habit seep into our subconscious, and then the subconscious will take over the game. Thank you, guys.